Here we are again, folks, doing another addition to this beautiful GMC Denali. I am really ecstatic to bring you in the know on one of Go Rhino's newest, latest and greatest products, the Go Rhino Slim RB10 running boards. Now, out of their RB series, they have slimmed up everything and made this a really, really unique, beautiful Raptor style running board. So if you don't want to go with the original 6-inch setup and kind of slim things down a little bit, maybe even on a smaller vehicle, it might fit a little bit better to go with the slim style, which is going to go to 4 inches wide. It is still going to be a lot of the same features as far as a 16 gauge steel. You can get finishes in matte black, as you can see here, or the bedliner finish, which helps a ton with slipping out of the vehicle. So if you're dealing with snow, wet, whatever, definitely going to be a good idea to check out that bedliner finish. Not a lot more expensive than the matte black setup, as you see here. As far as your install, it's going to be a piece of cake. Everything that you're going to need is going to come out of the box, specific and custom to your make, model, and year. Install is going to be a cinch. Give yourself an hour and a half or so on your next free weekend, and you can take your vehicle from here to here with the RB series, specifically these RB10 Slim style. Absolutely unbeatable design, and it also comes right out of Brea, California. So, made in America, developed in America, just like us too. Check this out and join us at RHRSwag.com. God, I'm good.